If you came here to learn how to clean a soft-shelled turtle, you came to the right place. Here's one that we just cut the shell off. You can see all of his anatomy. These are his lungs, liver, probably his intestines. Right in here is the meat. We're going to show you how to take the shell off. Just like that. See how the lungs, just like a turkey, they're right up against the ribs.
You know you got to get all that fat off of it.
Oh yeah, it's just like an alligator. You got to get all the fat off of it. Now he's gotten his. He's going to start cleaning that one up, and I'm going to show you how to cut the cap off of this one. Now neither one of us have cleaned a turtle in a while, but we can figure it out. My grandpa used to do this all the time. The hardest thing is they're slippery. Brad, there's people watching right now saying this guy don't know what the hell he's talking about.
Let them get on one. Let's see how it is. You about to get him?
Yeah. See how I flip him over? Come right over here. Cut him just like that. He's not alive. That's his nerves. You'll see it. Just start following it just like you're filleting a fish. Brad's phone never rings.
That damn sure second time today.
And now it's ringing. Crystal just had to run to the grocery store. We're having us a big old cookout tonight. You'll see in just a second. A Sawzall will make your life easy getting his backbone off of the shell. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Once you snap that backbone, it'll come right out. That's all there is to it right there. You got to listen to me clean a turtle and Brad talk about farming.
Damn. Plenty of them, right? The puppy drum, they're bigger than a puppy drum, no way. Yeah. The water clear?
Now he's talking about fishing. This should be entertaining. You're getting to hear his conversation and watch me.
Yeah.
Two almost clean turtles. Who was that?
George. Didn't talk pilot damn drum. 3 to 5 pounds.
Redfish?
No, damn red, black drum.
Oh, them things are nasty.
Huh?
Them things are nasty.
You gonna skin this all out now?
Yeah. The hardest part about it is that they're slippery. That's his hind quarters. It's really easy because you have the shell to go off of. Almost anybody could do this. It might be a little bit time consuming, but there's the front shoulder. They're just like a chicken. They got white and dark meat.
They say 7 kinds.
I don't think he thought he was going to end up like that today. Skinning them's probably the hardest part.
It's not leather.
Yeah, their hide is super tough. You see that yellow stuff, that fat? You do not want to mess up and leave that on there. Just like an alligator, you better get all the fat off.
Need 2 people, somebody to hold it, somebody to cut.
Yeah. You can see that's just like their thigh. Chock full of meat. My mom's dad and my mom in Indiantown, Florida, and I'm sure my dad too, he probably helped him back in the day too. They would go catch these turtles and sell them. That's how they made money for food.
Yeah. You got to have two people. Somebody got to hold it. No kidding.
It's slippery.
I'd have been through with it.
I know right now my mom's watching thinking, I sure do remember my dad doing this. And I think her mom even did it. I would be willing to bet they hung them from trees and then cleaned them, so they weren't flopping all around. All I got left to do is take the meat off the bone.
You won't leave the bone in them?
You?
Yeah. You skin the neck out.
I didn't. I cut mine's neck off. So one of them's a light green color and one of them's a brown color. The light green one's meat's a lot browner than mine. Grayer, actually. There's his pelvic bone.
Where's the meat?
Right there. His leg bone.
Let me that sawzall. Pliers. What time y'all gonna cook?
About 6, 7.
Yeah, probably. Let's go put this meat in.
When she gets back, she's bringing bags.
I got some. How much this shit sell for?
A lot. That you can't kill them in Florida no more.
Can't catch them. How many? One a day?
One a day here per person. We can't get any at home. These old school knives hold an edge forever.
Old hickories. I got something here that's round with that on.
All right, that's 2 completely cleaned turtles, including one neck. It's probably about 6 pounds of good, organic, healthy meat. We got all the bones left for the soup. Now I'm a little bit new at cleaning turtles. I've only cleaned 4 or 5. I took my time. I feel I did a great job. If you have any tips or techniques or pointers you want to tell me about, leave a comment below.